Hello, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S86 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's enter Settings and go to Display. As you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change brightness level manually, enable or disable night light, change its intensity, enable or disable adaptive brightness, change wallpaper, enable or disable changeable screen lock wallpaper, and dark theme. Then we can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, manage notification light, turn on, blink or brief, enable or disable auto rotate screen, change font size, set screensaver, change screen color mode, manage lock screen display. For example, you can show all notification content on lock screen, show sensitivity content only when unlocked, and don't show notifications at all, and you can set lock screen message. Then, you can switch screen display area. It means you can hide notch. You can cast screen to other devices and select printer. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.